Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
How are we?
I am all right, thank you, sir.
Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Wow, can see the way you already prepared. You want to going to take this. Yes, class. During our previous lesson, we learned something also.
Yes.
By show of hands, who can remind us what we learned in the previous lesson? By show of hands, who can remind us? Yes, Ranita.
Constructing triangles.
Constructing triangles. Constructing triangles. Mapa. We learned how to construct triangles, but with sides only. But with what?
Sides.
We learned how to construct an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Then we also learned how to construct isosceles triangle. Then we constructed triangle given sides, not so?
Yes.
Yeah, triangle given sides, just only sides without angles. Without two angles. So this morning we are going to construct triangles with the angles. Are we together, members?
Yes.
Good. So pick your set, pick the drawing book. Have everything set. Sharpen your pencil. Sharpen your pencil. Sharpen your pencil. May I have my set, please? May I have my set, please? Sharpen your pencil. Everything set. Thank you. Can we have everything set? Only construct an equilateral triangle of sides 5 centimeters. 5 centimeters. We said that you get your long ruler, not so?
Yes.
This is my long ruler. But with those ones, we said we need a sketch first, not so? We need a sketch. So sketch. Since we know that equilateral triangle is that triangle with all the sides equal. All the sides equal. A sketch does not need you to use a pair of compasses. You only use a ruler and a pencil. Then you draw a sketch. Show that all the sides of an equilateral triangle are equal by marking. Are we together?
Yes.
Then we said it's 5 centimeters each side. It's 5 centimeters each side. Then get your ruler, draw a straight line. Draw a straight line. Draw a straight line. Please remember the principles of construction. 1, should use a very sharp pencil. Are we together, members?
Yes.
Use a very sharp pencil. Secondly, when drawing a line, draw once, don't repeat. Draw once, don't repeat. So, we are constructing an equilateral triangle of sides 5 centimeters. So you get your pair of compass, you measure 5 centimeters. Remember, this is what you did in the previous lesson, not so?
Yes.
So you measure the 5 centimeters from your ruler. Measure 5 centimeters from your ruler. Measure 5 centimeters from your ruler. These are my 5 centimeters. After measuring your 5 centimeters, you come stand here, make an arc. Make an arc. Like that. Using the same radius, just transfer it here and make an arc to cut the other one. Make an arc to cut the other one, like that. Remove and you join. And you join. Please have more than one pencil. And you join. On joining, please be accurate. And that's the other principle. Be accurate. If it's measuring, measure exact length you have been told to measure. Be accurate. I said when you're drawing the line, make sure the line is drawn once. So the sketch should look like a straight diagram. Are we together, members?
Yes.
And this is 5 centimeters. Finished. Unless if you have been given an equilateral triangle PQR, where PQ equals to 5. Okay, where PQ equals to QR, PQ equals to RQ equals to QP equals 5 centimeters. That one implies that all the sides are equal. If this is P, I mean this is P, this is Q, and this is R. All together. Yes. It means that PQ equals to QR equals to R, PQ equals to QR equals to RP, which is 5 centimeters. It means that all of those sides are equal. That's when you will now bring in those letters if they are there. Today is the 6th. We are going to construct the triangles given sides and the angles. You'll be given maybe one side and two angles, or you'll be given one angle and two sides. For example, we begin by a sketch. A sketch is the first thing to be seen, and therefore it has to be on the left-hand side. Sketch, sketch, sketch. A sketch is the first. In that order. Okay.
Yes.
This one saying A, B, C. So you move in that order. You move in that order. One, they are saying AB. AB. That means we need a line AB. This is a sketch we just drew. We need a line AB. This is a line AB. Out together. That's a line AB, and it's 60 centimeters. This one 6 centimeters. Then you are told angle CAB. Angle CAB. We always say that when we mean angle CAB, which angle do we mean? If we say angle CAB, which angle are we meaning? Which angle do we mean by this statement? Again, angle A. Angle A. Clap the boy members. We are meaning this angle A. That's the angle which is 90 degrees. And therefore, since the angle of 90 degrees is perpendicular, therefore here we shall have a perpendicular line. And you indicate there 90 degrees. It's a very special angle. The only angle marked in such a manner. In that way. So this is 6 centimeters, and they're telling us that line under lines AC, AC meaning AC, C is supposed to be up there, is 5 centimeters. So 6 centimeters and 5 centimeters, which one is shorter? 5 centimeters. So you have to consider all that. Meaning this line should be at least shorter than this one. So I join like that. This is 5 centimeters. I think you are done with your sketch. So this is the C. For accurate diagram. Accurate diagram. Accurate diagram. Accurate diagram. Written. Have you written?
Yes.
Draw a straight line. Draw a straight line. Draw a straight line. Draw a straight line. All of us should move at the same pace, at the same time. draw a straight line. So when that draw. Draw a straight line. Don't take it too far down here. Since you have seen your sketch here, that here you need 5 centimeters. Even when I just put my over here, I know my 5 centimeters will end somewhere here. So I don't need to take it in very far. Out here, members? Yes. So draw a straight line. Hope my line is straight.
Yes.
Draw a straight line. I want point for you. Just use your pair of compass and mark. You don't need to mark using a pencil. Just break using your pair of compass. Remember, an angle of 90 degrees, we need a line from both sides. We need a line from both sides. Left hand side and the right hand side for us to construct that angle. All together? So, I stand here. Stand here, make an arc, a same sound. Remember, your pencil must be very sharp. After, remove. Use the same radius, transfer it here. Are we there?
Yes.
Make an arc. First look at the chalkboard. Look at the chalkboard. Make an arc. Transfer it here. Make an arc. Remove. You can adjust the radius, you can increase. Transfer it here. Get your long ruler and join. And join. Get your long ruler and join. And join. Then you mark. The angle is 90 degrees. We said this is point what? This is A. That is A. You can establish C, point C up here. Can establish point C. Reason being, you are told here that AC equals to 5 centimeters. So you can just use your ruler. You can use your ruler. Me, I cannot use mine because you know what happens with mine. Yes. So use your ruler. Just put like this and mark where do the 5 centimeters end. Where do the 5 centimeters end? If your 5 centimeters end here, you mark at that point. Like that. My 5 centimeters end here. I mark at that point. Have you seen? Yes. The same story comes down here. We want to AB. This is A. This is C. C will come here. B is going the other side. And the length, the line AB is 60 centimeters. 60 centimeters. So you can use your ruler. Just six centimeters. Mine will end here. Mine will end there. Or you use a pair of compasses out together. You use a pair of compasses. You measure 6 centimeters from the ruler. You measure 6 centimeters from the ruler. You adjust your pair of compass from where there is 0 centimeter up to where 60 centimeters are. Up to where 60 centimeters are. Up to where 6 centimeters are. like this is mine. Then you come and you mark. And you mark. I see? And you mark like that. Those are your 60 centimeters. After you join complete triangle now. So this is our point C. This is B. AB is 6 centimeters. AC is 5 centimeters. We were asked, when we read down here, they are saying measure the line BC. Measure the line BC. Measure the line BC. So, you measure the line BC, the length BC. You can use your ruler and you measure. If I use mine, I'll just put like this and I adjust it up to where the point is. The point is here. My point is here. You measure yours and tell me. We did angle ABC, that's angle B. Then we did a line EC. We did a line EC. What have you got? Good.
8 centimeters.
And we are almost, yes?
7.8 centimeters.
Very good. 7.8
Centimeters.
is the most accurate angle. That's the most accurate construction. 7.8. Then we always give allowance of 0.1 in front and 0.1 behind. That means if you have got 7.8 correct, 7.9 correct, then 7.6. How many have got 7.7? 7.7. You got 7.7. Fine. 7.7. How many got 7.9? Then 7.8. Thank you so much. Can we measure angle B? Can we measure the size of angle AB? Used for measuring the angles? Yes. Remember, use a protractor. So pick your protractor and you measure angle ABC. This is the angle we are talking about. This is the angle we are talking about. That angle there. Can we measure this angle? We say this instrument, this protractor has got 2 scales. Even in P5 you were told. Are we together?
Yes.
Just 2 scales. There is the inside scale and the outside scale. When I put like this and I want to measure this angle, it means I have to use the outside scale because the angle is on the left. Are we together?
Yes.
But if I put like this and I want to measure this angle, I have to use the inside scale because the angle is on the right. So we want to measure this angle. Therefore, we shall use the outside scale. Somebody sing? Somebody sing?
Yes.
Mine's telling me 0 degrees, 10, 20, 30, 40. Mine is telling me 40. How many of you have his or her angle as 40 degrees? May I have one person come and construct for us this one? One person come and construct for us this. and others receive construct in their books. Are we together?
Yes.
Let's just have a person only construct for us that triangle. Only. So obviously remember we begin with that. So can you see the sketch as you can see? Can you see the sketch? Finished. Question saying angle PQ. So what is the angle? We said when we say EQR, we are meaning angle Q. Angle Q, which is this one. This is the angle. So this one. So this one. So your angle 60 degrees, 60 degrees. So it's here where you have to construct angle 60 degrees facing this side. So this is the P, this is the Q. Correct. Then this is 4.1. Make sure you measure exactly 4. Measure exactly 4. Be accurate. Most especially when you are joining those lines. Be accurate. Be accurate. Can you clap the guts? Thank you.